Hey there guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Freetown helmet that you can get at Costco with MIPS in it. MIPS is actually a safety thing for helmets where it has a little plastic piece that helps cut off some of that rotational impact when you hit the ground with your helmet. It actually slides so that it can actually catch some of the momentum and really protect you from getting more of a strong concussion. 80% of concussions are actually going to be mostly weak, 10% are medium, and then another 10% are strong. So they're trying to get that 20% that's in the more dangerous range down to that lower range if you do get into a bicycle accident. So let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the box it came in. This is $30 at Costco, which is a steal because if you know anything about MIPS helmets, they usually start off quite expensive, around $50, $60, and can go all the way up to $200. This one was at Costco normally for, I believe, $40, but there's a $10 off discount right now that you can order from their Costco website. I'll link it down below, as well as some other MIPS options on Amazon. Those, if you do purchase, I will get a small cut of. If you buy the Costco one at $30, I won't make anything, but I mean, I'm glad just to share this kind of information with you guys. I'll also link below to a Kickstarter helmet that I kind of like. It has a unique design with also a light in its back. You'll also see that down below. All right, so let's cut into the box. All right, that was easy, so let's open it up. Here's the box. Comes with no protection in the box, and I got the black. It comes in two colors, I believe, white or black. There's only one size you can choose from, but it is adjustable. I hear if you have a really big head, it's not gonna fit, and I actually really like this design. It has a tail light, which, let's see if has one of those rubber stoppers on the battery so it doesn't wear out. So let's pull this out very slowly. Good. Then you turn it on. Oh, look at that. Has a solid mode and a blinking mode and off. So that's a unique feature for the back of a helmet. I'm very surprised that they included this actually for a $30 helmet to have a tail light as well. I mean, it's not a big add-on, but it is cool. It has an adjustment dial on the back so that you can fine-tune the size that you need for the helmet so that it fits your head. Let me throw this on really quick. I still have hair, terrible hat hair, so excuse me. Let's see. Ooh, it's really tight. Oh, there we go. It's much. It actually adjusts a lot more than I thought it would. It's actually pretty adjustable. It was very, very tight when I first put it on. I hear this helmet's good for a medium to a large size head. I hear some kids also use this one, but I would say if you're usually an extra large in a helmet, just to pass on this helmet for now, because it is not built to fit on larger heads. I can already tell that my head is a large usually, and it barely fits in here, but I feel like it looks really nice. Ooh. It has a lot of these cushioning straps around the neck strap, which I'm not very used to. Usually they don't have these. Okay, clip in. Ugh. Oh, this is not comfortable. I wish they didn't put this, honestly. I hope I can take this off. Okay, this is what it looks like on head. And I like leaving the helmet on as tight as possible for safety reasons. You don't want it to slide off while you're riding or falling. So you always want to only be able to barely fit one finger in here. Not so tight that you're cutting off circulation, but tight enough so that it doesn't move around. Okay, this will require a little bit more adjustment. Let me put my hat back on, because hat hair. Okay. So I'm going to hold it up so you guys can take a look at what it looks like. As you can see, Freetown logo on the side right here. MIPS label right here. And MIPS is pretty much going to be this little plastic piece that you see on the inside of this helmet that slides around. That's what's really giving you that protection. So when you hit the ground, it will slide and pretty much move some of that rotational force from the helm, keeping it away from your head. So if you didn't have this piece, all of that rotational force would hit directly into your skull, and that wouldn't be good. Now, these cushioning pieces are actually removable to be washed, which is a nice feature. I am uncertain if you can remove this chin piece, but I will probably just cut it off because it is kind of annoying. Otherwise, this is a great helmet, I think, for $30. And if you can snag it at Costco still, I really recommend getting this helmet. It's not the most high quality helmet, but I really think it does a great job for $30, especially since it includes a MIPS protection, which is what you really want. And for all those people that just started biking during quarantine, this is a good deal. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to use my links down below if you want to help out this channel. And subscribe if you like this kind of content. All right, thank you. Bye.